The Workforce Innovation Center is a talent consulting practice where we have services that can help you understand more about what's happening with your workplace. So an employee survey, a policy and practice review, and then we can do customized engagements to help you really meet your needs.
We got introduced to the Workforce Innovation Center, I believe it was in 2020, and it was something that my whole department was kind of passionate about. They came in, they offered to do basically a study for us and look at demographics, data, policy, and procedures.
We sent out the survey with the link, encouraging people to take it, and that we were going to use the information to improve our communication with our teams.
What has been the through line with Skidmore is just this investment in their people and not just wanting to have talent to do the job, but bring talent on that is going to be back invested with Skidmore. And so they were thinking about how do we create the conditions, the culture that enables someone to see that as the opportunity as an employee.
It's really nice to hear that Skidmore wants to know about my opinion specifically. I think that is really, really helpful, and not only for the company to better themselves, but to make sure that every single employee is having a wonderful experience here.
Skidmore's always had an open door policy, and they're not only is it an open door policy, but they want you to be open with the way you're feeling emotionally. And they try their best to address it and rectify it if it is something that they think needs to be fixed. I think Skidmore looks at it as an opportunity to invest in their employees.
All of the engagement work we're doing is so employees feel like they can tell us the truth, right? That's why we want them to have a relationship with their supervisors so they get their questions answered. We need to have a good culture where people aren't afraid to speak up.
We delivered our findings to them with a set of strategies to help them solve their problems and achieve their goals.
What I found was the opportunity with Skidmore is they were very open to hearing the additional ideas that our consultants brought to the table. They recognized that while they were doing great things, there was a whole host of additional ideas that they could benefit from.
When we first started working with the Workforce Innovation Center, one of the areas that we were having an issue with was turnover, particularly in our blending and warehouse areas. So we initiated some of their proposals, one of which was being more transparent in our wage structure, putting in a structured wage progression for people, training our managers in development and training opportunities, laying out a very specific onboarding program, a 30, 60, 90-day program with people hitting milestones. When we started this, we were at 60% retention rate. After initiating all these proposals, we're now at 95% retention rate. We have an employee advisory board made up of employees from all different departments.
The Employer Advisory Board is an opportunity for a handful of handpicked employees to actually get the ear of our CEO and president of the company. We come into those meetings with suggestions that we have received from others in our department. We discuss those with our president and CEO, and they take that information and see what they can do to continuously improve Skidmore as a whole.
When we got their initial recommendations, we had a very motivated group, both in management and in the HR department, to institute a lot of these initiatives. And so we've just followed up with the Workforce Innovation Center pretty much quarterly to go over the progress of it. Frankly, I think we've done pretty well. It takes the people in the company motivated and engaged to do the work.
The culture is certainly something, as a leadership team, we've paid a lot of attention to and focused on, because it's more fun to work in a place like that. But also, selfishly, if you want to attract good people, you need to be an enjoyable place to work.
Diversity, equity, and inclusion are really important to me and to Skidmore, and I appreciate that Skidmore has been focusing on that a lot.
Diversity, equity, and inclusion is important. That was part of the reason we started working with the Workforce Innovation Center, because certainly in leadership, we're not very diverse. There's value in having others that have different viewpoints.
What I think we found is that diversity is actually a quality that helps us in our business and on our engagement.
Clients want to come to us because they want to continue to build and accelerate the work they're doing for their workforce, both from a human level, what are the things that are going to foster the culture that's going to drive results, but also from a strategy level, what are the things that we need to do with our employees, with our talent, to enable the success and the achievement of the client goals.
We know that in a workplace, whether you're selling a good or services, the people who work for your organization are the lifeblood of your company. And we believe and know to be true that when you treat your employees well with the right kinds of policies and practices and benefits, that your employees thrive and your business thrives.